how you can use HubSpot at work. HubSpot isn't just a CRM, it's an all-in-one platform that helps teams organize, automate, and scale their work. Whether you're in sales, marketing, or customer service, it can be the backbone of how you manage relationships and track performance. Here's how you can use it at work. 1. Centralize contacts and companies. Instead of juggling spreadsheets, business cards, and sticky notes, HubSpot keeps everything in one place. Every email, call, note, and meeting can be logged under a contact's profile. This gives you and your team a full picture of every interaction. No more guessing who last talked to a client or what was promised. 2. Streamline sales. Pipelines. HubSpot's deal pipeline lets you track opportunities from first contact to closed won or lost. You can customize stages to match your sales process and get a visual snapshot of what's in progress. Add in automated reminders and task assignments, and it becomes easier to keep deals moving forward. 3. Automate marketing. With HubSpot's marketing tools, you can build email campaigns, landing pages, and lead forms without coding. Automation features mean leads can be nurtured with tailored content. Think welcome emails, product education, or follow-ups without manual effort. This frees your team to focus on higher value work. 4th, track performance with dashboards. Instead of chasing reports, HubSpot creates dashboards that show KPIs in real time. You can track everything from website traffic and ad performance to closed revenue and customer satisfaction. Teams can see what's working and pivot quickly when needed. 5. Improve customer support. Using HubSpot's Service Hub, you can manage tickets, create a knowledge base, and set up chatbots. Customers get answers faster, and your team avoids being buried in repetitive questions. Support data also feeds back into the CRM, so sales and marketing understand customer pain points. 6. Keep everyone aligned. HubSpot acts as a single source of truth across departments. Sales sees which marketing campaigns brought in leads. Marketing sees which content helped close deals. Customer service sees the full history of a client before jumping into a call. Everyone works off the same data, which cuts down on miscommunication. Bottom line, using HubSpot at work means less manual tracking, fewer silos, and more time focused on what matters: building relationships, closing deals, and keeping customers happy.